नमस्कार दोस्तों, उम्मीद करते हैं कि आप सभी अपने घरों में मस्त होंगे, तंदुरुस्त होंगे और सुरक्षित होंगे। आप सभी लोग इस लॉकडाउन का भरपूर इस्तेमाल करते होंगे, उसके टाइम का सदुपयोग करते होंगे। दोस्तों याद रखना कि जो टाइम निकल जा रहा है वो टाइम फिर वापस आपको नहीं मिलने वाला है, इसलिए अपनी पढ़ाई को बिल्कुल ब्रेक मत करो, ध्यान से पढ़ो। कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है तो हमसे कंसल्ट करो। सो फ्रेंड्स, टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस ऑफ क्लास 9th मैथमेटिक्स। जैसा कि हम पढ़ रहे हैं चैप्टर आपका सरफेस एरियाज एंड वॉल्यूम्स। सो फ्रेंड्स, इन दिस वी हैव स्टार्टेड द एक्सरसाइज 13.1। इन 13.1 हमने कुछ क्वेश्चंस 1 to 6 कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं। टुडे आई केम हियर टू ब्रिंग the question number 7. Just see the question 7, what is given. In this it is given that Santi Sweet Stall was placing an order for making cardboard boxes for packing their sweets. वो स्वीट्स को पैक करने के लिए कार्डबोर्ड्स का ऑर्डर देने वाले। There are 2 sizes of boxes required. उनको 2 साइज के बॉक्सेस चाहिए। The bigger of dimension 25 by 20 by 5 centimeter and the smaller one whose dimensions was 15 by 12 by 5 centimeter. दो बॉक्सेस, दोनों का साइज डिफरेंट। बड़े the bigger of dimension is 25 centimeter, means length is 25, breadth is 20 and height is 5 centimeter. और जो स्मॉलर साइज का है उस बॉक्स का साइज लेंथ 15 centimeter, breadth 12 centimeter और हाइट 5 centimeter है। For all the overlaps, 5% of total surface area is required extra. इन सभी कार्डबोर्ड्स का जो भी एरिया होता है 5% उसका एक्स्ट्रा कार्डबोर्ड इन्वॉल्व होता है। So 5% is required extra. If the cost of cardboard is ₹4 for 1000 centimeter square, then find the cost of cardboard required for supplying 250 boxes of each kind. दोनों टाइप के 250 ऑफ बिगर साइज, 250 ऑफ स्मॉलर साइज, दोनों साइज का फाइंड करना है। सो लेट अस फाइंड आउट द एरिया ऑफ रिक्वायर्ड फॉर बिगर बॉक्स इन वन बॉक्स, राइट? सो इन द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दिस वी हैव टू राइट डाउन फॉर द सॉल्यूशन फॉर बिगर बॉक्स length is given 25 centimeter by 20 centimeter and by 5 centimeter, means these are the dimension of the bigger box. So total surface area of one box is equals to total surface area of one box is equals to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL we need to find. Okay, फाइंड करते हैं हम इसको। 2 into LB means 25 by 20 plus BH 20 by 5 plus HL means 5 by 25 centimeter square, right? Simplified it, we will get 2 multiplied by this is 25 2 is 50, 500, 25 is 100 plus 25 5 is 125 centimeter square. Okay, so 2 multiplied by 500, 600, 725 centimeter square, which is equals to 1450 centimeter square. ये एक बॉक्स का कार्डबोर्ड रिक्वायर्ड हो रहा है फॉर बिगर बॉक्सेस। सो सिमिलरली वी कैन फाइंड फॉर स्मॉलर बॉक्स। सो फॉर स्मॉलर बॉक्स dimension of this is, its dimension is given 15 centimeter by 12 centimeter by 5 centimeter. So let us find out the total surface area of this box. TSA of one smaller box. Similarly, we have to use this formula. 2 into LB means 15 into 12 plus BH 12 into 5 plus HL 5 into 15 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. सॉल्व करते हैं. 2 इंटू 15 टू ज़ा 30, 15 1 ज़ा 15 प्लस 3 18 प्लस 12 5 ज़ा 60 प्लस 15 5 ज़ा 75 centimeter square. Okay, so let's add it. We will get 180 plus 60, that is 240. 240 plus 75. 240 plus 75 is 315. Multiply it, we will get 630 centimeter square is required cardboard for one box. Okay. Afterwards, we need to find out the area of 200 boxes for a smaller one and for bigger one also. So the total cardboard required for, total cardboard required for 250 boxes of each kind equals to 250 multiplied by the total surface area of that bigger box, TSA of one bigger box plus TSA of one smaller box. TSA of one smaller box. Okay, so 250 multiplied by TSA of bigger one, that is 1450 plus TSA of the one smaller 630 centimeter square, which is equals to 250 multiplied by, let us add it, 0 5 3 8 80 6 4 10 0 1 2 2080 centimeter square. So this is the area of the cardboard required for 250 boxes of each kind, means the smaller one also and the bigger one also. Now, so the multiplication of this 250 into 2080, that is equals to 5 2 and 40 centimeter square. Okay. So as the extra cardboard is required 5%, so extra cardboard is equals to extra cardboard is equals to 5% of this one, 5240, okay, centimeter square. That is 20 is cancelled, so you can write it is 0 0 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25 plus 126 centimeter square. So the total cardboard is required for the boxes. Total cardboard is required equals to 5240 plus 2630 centimeter square. Therefore, it can be written as 30, 6, 4 and 5 centimeter square. 5,46,000 centimeter square cardboard is required. So, as we are going to find out the cost of cardboard required for supplying these boxes, the rate of cost is given rupees 4 per 1000 centimeter square. So, the cost of cardboard is equals to, therefore, cost of cardboard is equals to rupees 4 per 1000 centimeter square. So 4 divided by 1000 multiplied by 54600 rupees. 1 2 3 1 2 3 cancel. 4 6 are 24, 4 4 are 16 plus 2 18, 4 5 are 20 plus 1 21 rupees. So our required answer is rupees 2184 is required for the total cost of the cardboard required. Understood? So friends, let's see the question number 8 of this exercise. In this, Praveen wanted to make a temporary shelter for her car. She has a car and she wants to make a shelter by making a box like a structure with tarpaulin. Tarpaulin is like as a canvas. Covers all four sides. That box covers all four sides and top of the cover. And top of the cover means there is no below top. Base is not required. Assuming that the stitching margin are very small and therefore it is negligible. How much tarpaulin would be required to make the shelter of height 2.5 meter with base dimensions 4 meter by 3 meter. So to find out the area how much tarpaulin would be required. So area of tarpaulin is required for the shelter. In the solution of this question, shelter is in the shape of cuboid. Okay friends, it is in the shape of cuboid. As it is in the shape of cuboid, of length is 4 meter, breadth is 3 meter and height is 2.5 meter is given, right? So to find out the area of tarpaulin required, so the area of tarpaulin required is equals to area of four walls, that you can say lateral surface area of the cuboid, lateral surface area of cuboid plus area of the top, So lateral surface area of the cuboid, which is 2 into L plus B into H, plus area of top, which is length into breadth. Let's substitute it. 2 multiplied by L is 4 plus B is 3 multiplied by 2.5 meters square, plus this is 4 multiplied by 3 meters square. Let's simplify it. 2 into this is 7 into 2.5 plus 4 3s are 12 meter square is the area of tarpaulin required, which is 2.5 2s are 5 7s are 35 plus 12 meter square is the area of tarpaulin required, which is 47 meter square is the area of tarpaulin required in this for her shelter. So for the answer of this is, so the area of tarpaulin given that tarpaulin 47, so 47 meter square tarpaulin is required, meter square tarpaulin is required for the shelter of her car. Right friends? So in this it is very easy that it is given you need to make a box, but box is open from the floor. Box is in the shape of cuboid having 4 walls and top. So the area of tarpaulin required is lateral surface area, that is area of 4 walls plus area of the top. A lateral surface area of cuboid is 2 into L plus B into H plus area of top is length into breadth. After substituting the values of length, breadth and height, we got the total 47 meter square tarpaulin is required for shelter of her car.